In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up LinkedIn lead gen forms. LinkedIn lead gen forms are one of the most powerful types of ads you can run, enabling you to collect quality leads directly from the platform with ease. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide that will walk you through the setup process in just a few minutes. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to LinkedIn's Campaign Manager at linkedin.com Campaign Manager. If you don't have a LinkedIn Campaign Manager account yet, you'll need to create one. Otherwise, log in using your Google account or your LinkedIn credentials, which include your email and password associated with your LinkedIn account. Once you're logged in and have access to your Campaign Manager dashboard, you'll want to make sure the menu on the left side of your screen is visible. If it's not, don't worry. Simply click the three horizontal lines located at the upper left corner, the so-called hamburger menu, to make it appear. This will give you quick access to all the tools and settings you'll need to navigate through LinkedIn's ad features. Now, from the visible menu, look for the section labeled Assets. This is where all your valuable content tools reside, including the option to create lead gen forms. Click on Assets, and this will direct you to additional options related to your advertising assets. Among these options, find lead generation forms. Once there, you'll be gearing up to create your new form. The next step is simple. On the upper right corner of the lead gen forms page, you'll see a create form button. Click this to initiate the form creation process. As you start creating your form, you'll need to complete several sections to ensure you're gathering the right information. These include the form details, where you can specify what your audience will learn about the offer, lead details and questions, which are perhaps the most crucial part of the form since they determine the information you'll gather from potential leads, confirmations, which allow you to customize the messages that responders see after submitting their details, and hidden fields, which can be used to append additional data to each lead submission without user input. Once you've carefully filled out these sections and are satisfied with the information you'll collect, head to the bottom right corner of the screen. There, you'll find a button labeled Agree and Create. By clicking this, you'll finalize your lead gen form, bringing it live for potential prospects to interact with. And that's it. You've successfully set up a LinkedIn lead gen form. With this powerful tool in your advertising arsenal, you're well on your way to capturing high quality leads efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy lead capturing.